I guess we can start with probably iniisip ng mga tao what's with the username. So, maybe we could start with that. Like, bakit ito yung username natin? So, maybe let's start with Sean na rin or Psychosis.
Um, okay. Uh, so I actually explained to them that I don't really have an origin story for this, but I actually do have an origin story. I came up with this username like 8 years ago. Kasi meron akong kilala na Mexican wrestler, pangalan niya Psychosis din, pero different spelling. I just changed it up a little bit kasi it sounded cool. So I just changed it to an X para naman may iba ng onte, unique. So yeah, and then yun yung naging Twitter username ko for a while, and I just kept it in game for every game that I've played since.
Noise. Bale, dun sa Psychosis na, like, what's the original, like, yung sa wrestler ba yung spelling niya is pretty much the actual spelling niya, then, in difference naman sa'yo is
Yun
just,
sa wrestler,
ah,
yung sa wrestler Psychosis, Psicosis.
so,
Yeah. So slightly similar dun sa English spelling ng psychosis, I guess.
hmm. And what's with the, ano,
Yeah.
0205?
0205, that's the day of the anniversary of me and my girlfriend. So I
Oh.
use it in my username to make it, unique. Because psychosis without the numbers is taken, unfortunately. So
Mm-hmm.
yeah.
Pretty cool backstory. Uh, um,
Yeah.
moving forward, dun kay Baby or kay Dayan.
Seryoso ba? Hindi, ayun. Sa akin kasi I was thinking of a name that would represent me or parang yung identity ko that I can use as IG handle, Twitter, and somewhere else. So, um, mix siya ng nickname ko at saka ng surname. Hindi ko na lang babanggitin yung surname ko. Pero kaya yung Dutch, kasi Chi yung nickname ko. So, Chi Chi. Tu in French is do, kaya Dutch. Ayun lang siya.
Noise. Alam ko na yung sa numbers but I don't need to explain that shit. Next,
Number is my
sige.
birthday.
Ayun, 804. So yun, next would be si Sarah.
Hello, yeah. So, sa akin, wala namang solid background. It's just a name play. Kasi before, when I started DeviantArt, yung username ko doon, parang after couple of years na rin, parang naisip ko, ang lame naman. Kasi it's Sarah Usagi. So, I really like rabbits. Kaya naisip ko yung Usagi kasi it's the Japanese term.
Usagi.
Kaso, yun nga, over the years, parang lame na siya. So, I thought, bakit hindi ice cream? Kasi, well, who doesn't like ice cream, di ba? So, just had to
Mm-hmm.
think kung paano ba in-nameplay. And, usually, taken na siya. Kasi, well, it's not really hard to think of that. Kaya, ina-add ko yung 07 because of my birthday. So, ayun. It's just
Nice.
a really narrow ano lang, background.
To add that, actually may way back nung naglalaro pa ng League of Legends, may katropa rin kaming ice cream yung ano username niya sa league. So, wala lang yung ano, like wala yung number sa akin, like I dot scream lang yung sa kanya. Wala lang, just to add that there.
Baka siya yung nangaagaw ng
Baka
mga
siya
ano
nga,
ko,
siya yung nasa
username
DeviantArt.
kapag nag-assign.
Joke.
Oo.
Hindi, di nag-art yun. Ay, ano, we might need to plug that DeviantArt link if you want. So,
Yes, for sure.
yep. Um, yeah, next would be si Will I Am or Mr. Peanut Butt. Butt. Kahit ikaw natatawa eh.
Ano naman, simple lang naman sa akin. Fan ako nung show na BoJack Horseman. If familiar kayo guys.
Mhm, mhm.
And then, nung nag-isip ako ng username for my PS4, nakita ko yung icon ng aso. And it really, really resembles one of the characters of the show, which was Mr. Peanut Butter. So, yun yung ginawa kong username. Though, nakulangan ako sa characters, kaya Mr. Peanut Butt lang yung nakalagay.
It was
Pero
meant to be, pare.
it still came out okay naman. Yeah.
It was meant to be. Naalala ko rin kasi yun eh. Parang sabi mo, it should be Mr. Peanut Butter. Pero,
Yun nga
Kinulang ng
eh.
dalawang characters.
Dapat merong binago with the characters or ang medyo judge para magkasya. Pero yeah,
PlayStation
I'm
decided
pretty much
for you.
okay naman with that.
PlayStation decided for you talaga, man.
It's
You know
his
what?
name,
Peanut,
so it's cool.
peanut butt is much better.
Peanut butt.
And again,
Yes.
lastly but not the least is Pau.
Yep. Nag-iisip ako dati ng Counter-Strike name. And then, that time fan ako ng Fushigi anime.
Ah,
So, naisip ko
Wow.
yung favorite character ko doon, si Sasuke. Pero wrong spelling. Kasi
Wrong
wala akong
spelling.
pakialam yung spelling kung ano yung paninig ko. Ganun ko siya spell.
kaya pala, okay. Hindi ko na nuggets.
Classic.
Okay.
So, yeah. So, Sasuke. And the I
Sasuke.
means kasi fan ako ng
Wait,
Apple
sorry, sa
products.
I? Ano?
Dinagdag ko na lang yung I. Apple products.
Apple
Apple
products.
products.
Alright, yeah, makes sense.
So, yeah. And 89, sigurado hindi yun yung birthday ko. Pero yun talaga yun. Year.
Birth year, yeah. Yeah, we're seeing a lot of pattern sa mga usernames. Like, I'm not sure kung sa mga Pilipino lang yun or internationally. Like, may username, like, literally words, then combine it with birth year, birthday, or whatever. May kinalaman. And before I forget, syempre, yeah, before I forget yung sa akin na naman, kung bakit Amor 94, simply because I started my own YouTube channel within mind na mag-Gundam content, and the first ever Gundam pilot is named Amuro Ray. So first name is Amuro, and syempre 94 would be yung birth year ko. Simple as that. I'm a big fan of that character, and pretty much yun lang naman. Yun lang naman sa akin. And just to add lang dun sa mga usernames nga, talagang may pattern nga per se. Like kahit yung sa mga ibang kaibigan na mga nakakalaro ko na throughout the years, online or offline, whatever. Laging high chance na may dinadagdag na na birth numbers and birth years and stuff like that.